stamping friends, welcome to another episode of StampPatties.com. Today I want to share with you a technique that I learned using the blue painter's tape that you can find at any Home Depot, Lowe's, etc. And we're going to create this special card. Our complete supply list is 7/8 inch wide blue painter's tape. I'm using all 5 of the 2013-2015 in colors, some basic black ink. For cardstock, I'm using 3 pieces of cardstock. The card base is Whisper White, 5.5 by 8.5. The next layer is our crisp cantaloupe, which is 4 by 5 1/4. And the last layer is white, 3 7/8 by 5 1/8. The stamps that I've chosen to use is one of our brand new polymer stamp sets called Another Thank You. And I'm going to be using the large thank you from that set. Here we go. Okay, I've set up my ink pads with a piece of blue painter's tape that I've just ripped off of the roll, and I'm going to start with the very first one, which is going to be my pistachio pudding. And all I'm doing is running the tape across the ink pad, and I'm going to take my piece of white cardstock, rub it across, pick it up. Take my next color, which is strawberry slush, do the same thing, put it down on the card, swipe it, lift it up. The third color I'm using is the Coastal Cabana. I'm going to put that on, swipe it across, pick it up. Then I'm using my crisp cantaloupe, putting that on. As you can see, there's no method or madness here. And then my final color, which is the warm brown sugar. And there I have all 5 of my painter tape swipes. For my next step, I'm going to ink up my thank you image. This is one of our brand new polymer sets called Another Thank You. I'm inking up the big thank you in our basic black ink, and I'm going to put that right on top of the painter's tape background that I've created. Just like that. And then I'm going to assemble my card, all 3 layers. All that's left to be done now is to assemble the card. So I'm going to assemble all 3 layers, my stamped image onto my crisp cantaloupe, which I have cut about 1/8 of an inch border. And then I've already put some adhesive on the back of my crisp cantaloupe. That's going to go onto the white card with a 1/4 inch border, and voila, done. Hope you enjoyed this episode. Be sure to visit my website, www.stamppatties.com.